Hello everyone, happy learning and thanks for participating in this activity. Finally, today we will cover reinforcement learning and large language models. First, we will start with reinforcement learning. Here you can see reinforcement learning is a part of the field of machine learning, which itself is a subset of artificial intelligence. So, we have artificial intelligence, then machine learning, and here we have reinforcement learning. Here you can see machine learning is a part of artificial intelligence that focus on algorithms that learn patterns from data. In simple words, we can say machine learning is a way to teach computers to learn from data and improve over time without someone having to write instructions. So instead of telling computer exactly what to do, we give it examples or let it explore and it figure out how to do the task on its own. So here machine is learning through examples, then it will figure out how to do certain task without any instruction. For example, teaching a car to drive itself. So we have traditional programming. In traditional programming, we would need to write rules like if there is red light, stop. If there is a person ahead, slow down. But here you can see there are too many situations to code every single rule. So in machine learning, we collect data from real life, from real drivers, videos. But in machine learning, we collect data from real life. So we have real drivers videos, steering angles, speed. So using machine learning, computer is learning by watching and practicing how humans drive, and over time it figure out patterns like when to turn, slow down or stop, even how to drive in new situations. So here we are collecting data, then the machine is learning from the collected data. Computer is learning from experiences and data, not from being told exactly what to do. That's machine learning in action. So in machine learning, we don't need to give any instructions. Here, machines are learning from experiences and data, and they are making their own decisions without human instructions, learning from mistakes and examples. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where an agent learns to make decisions by interacting with an environment. The agent receives rewards based on its actions and learn to maximize total rewards over time. Now let's try to understand this using simple example. For example, we are teaching an AI to play a game. So we are taking this simple maze game example. Here you can see components we have. First we have agent, that is the AI player. Second we have environment, that is the maze. So we have agent as the AI player and this AI player move in this environment, that is the maze. Now we have different actions that the agent can take. It can move up, down, left, right. Next we have state. So we have its current position in the maze. That is the player current position in the maze. The last one we have reward. We will give, here we can set any reward for the player. For example, plus 10 for reaching the goal and minus 1 for each wrong move. So here you can see how it works. We try actions randomly, then we observe results. For example, agent hit a wall or it is getting closer to the goal, then it will receive rewards like positive and negative reward. Positive if it reached the goal and negative if it take any wrong move or hit the wall. So here over time the agent learns the best path through the maze to reach the goal quickly. So reinforcement learning, this is a type of machine learning where the agent learn by interacting with an environment to maximize rewards. Next we have large language models, LLMs. LLMs are computer programs that can understand and generate human-like text while learning from huge amount of text data. They can answer questions, write stories, translate language, summarize articles. So LLMs are computer programs that can understand and generate human-like text while learning from a huge amount of text data. Here you can see they can answer questions, write stories, translate languages, summarize articles, and even have conversation like you can see here. So here you can see large language models examples. Now here we are taking ChatGPT as an example. So goal is to make the AI response in a way that users find helpful, safe and aligned with human values. So we have agent here, that is the large language model, that is ChatGPT. Environment, we have here the conversation or text interface, and actions we have generate response. State, we have current prompt and the conversation history. Here you can see. And rewards, we have here human feedback, for example, thumbs up or its quality rating and all. So deep learning models are trained on massive text to generate or understand languages. We have here typically based on transformation. So we have different applications. We can use these models for text generation, translation, code completion, summarization for stories and all. So reinforcement learning is a learning method where our agent learn by interacting with an environment to maximize rewards. And in large language model, that is a type of AI that learn from massive text data to understand and generate human-like languages. Learning style, in reinforcement we have trial and error based on rewards, and in LLMs we have pattern recognition from large scale text. And core components, we have agent, its environment, action, state, and reward. In LLMs, we have core components like tokens, transformer layers, context. Then we have different training methods in reinforcement learning like exploration and exploitation using reward signals. And here we have self-supervised learning from large text dataset. And the goal for the reinforcement learning, we have learned optimal actions to maximize the rewards. And this one, we have generate useful, coherent, and human-like text. Final conclusion we have here: reinforcement learning teaches computer by giving them rewards or punishment for their actions, like training a pet. And large language models are smart programs that learn from lot of text and can talk, write, or answer questions like humans. And together, reinforcement learning helps LLMs get better by learning from human feedback, so they give more helpful and safer answer. And this integration is used in modern AI assistants and agents that can reason, adapt, and improve over time through feedback, making them more aligned with human expectations. So that's all about this video. If you have any questions, you can comment below. And thanks for watching this video.